Hey everyone, this is Armando with lightsatwholesale.com and Invisilights, and I just wanted to let you know some great promotions we got going on for the month of October. If you're anything like us, it is busy right now. So one of the promotions that we're doing for the month of October is with any Invisilights permanent lighting kit that you purchase, you will get our free online training video that will go with it. You will get access to that free online training for 10 days. In order to get the Invisilights online training for free, you'll need to add the online training to your cart. And then when you go to checkout, you're going to use coupon code FREE TRAINING. Again, enter in the coupon code FREE TRAINING at checkout. That will then give a credit for the Invisilights online training, and you will then have 10 days to access that training and watch it as many times as you want. Rewatch it, stop it, whatever works with your schedule. We understand that we are in a busy season right now, so we're doing everything we can to help you out in getting equipped to do permanent lighting. So again, that's coupon code FREE TRAINING. And as I mentioned, you will pick the date, and then once you pick that date, your 10 days will start. Another promotion that we got going for the month of October is free training for our RGBW smart lights. Now, with any RGBW smart lights kit that you purchase, we are also giving you free online training for how to work and use those RGBW smart lights. Again, we think this is going to be a game changer when it comes to seasonal Christmas light installs. Why? Because they can access this October through December. It's residual income for you, where you can double your profits by doing these RGBW smart lights. In that training, we're equipping you and showing you how we are currently marketing them to our homeowners, our customers, when it comes to these RGBW smart lights. So again, for the month of October, these are some great promotions that we got going on here at lightsatwholesale.com. Just click on the link to get to our website and begin shopping and looking for whatever you need in order to help your company be successful in meeting your customers' needs when it comes to holiday lighting.